Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinky. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful kinky coily wig from start to finish using a topper. So the first thing we'll need is a wig cap, and this is just the basic thing you need whenever you want to make a wig. No matter the type of wig, you need a wig cap first of all, and then you need a needle and a thread for sewing. And the hair we'll be using is from Curlscurls. The hair came in this beautiful satin bag. Inside the bag we have the information booklet, extra clippings, and the hair itself. Now this is their 18-inch kinky coily hair in 3C/4A, and it comes in natural color. This is the topper I'll be using. I'm going to start with sewing in the topper to the wig cap, but before I do that, I'm going to use my pin to secure the topper to the wig cap and then sew. I'm going to start sewing in the topper to the wig cap. I'm going to use my pin to secure the topper to the wig before I sew. Let me give you guys a brief info about Curlscurls. Curlscurls is a factory store that provides high quality hair with really affordable price. The reason their prices are affordable is that you don't have distributors. You buy directly from them without a middleman or a distributor or an agent. That makes their price really affordable, and the quality of this hair is of high quality and 100% virgin human hair.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now.
After sewing the hair, I'm going to cut out the wig cap under the topper before I'm going to wash the hair with my conditioner and then install the hair. I'm going to show you guys how to install this wig with a topper on it, so keep on watching.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find
To install this wig, I'm going to just open up the clips and then clip it to my hair, to both sides of my hair, just to ensure that the wig is very secured. Now with this clip, I do not need to use any spray or glue to install this wig. All I have to do is just open up the clips, close it back, and then that is all I have to do. And this really laid flat on my head, looking really natural.
Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no.
So basically, this is everything I did from start to finish of the making of the wig and the installation of the wig. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful and leave your comment in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. Until next time, you guys, I love you. Bye bye.
Neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want